Okay, I'm up here in the vertical garden with Simon, and we're just taking some shots and making some inspection before tomorrow, and we're gonna start the trimming, the last trimming of the year. And we've spotted some interesting stuff in the garden. We have a lizard living here. Simon's trying to catch the lizard. It's nice to see that there's so many species that are thriving out of this garden. And I also want to show you guys something else. There's a bird nest in here. I mean, that's not the only bird nest, but there's a couple. But we spotted one pretty close to us. Let me unhook myself. Safety first. So, you got him?
Intense, those roots.
Okay. Okay. Is he still there? No. But anyway, check this guy. Check this out. Here you have a construction site going on. There's a bird's nest they started to build. Yeah, you can see some interesting materials in there. But yeah, that's the perfect place to live, you know? No rent, no utilities, completely free. Okay, let's go down.